welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the super viral Chinese Malatang hot pot. If you're watching this video, you might be wondering what is Malatang. Malatang is a personalized hot pot and you can cook all kinds of different ingredients in the hot pot and enjoy it. It's super good to make when you're craving spicy food. Now let's get started. This is Celtuce. You can find this in a lot of Asian grocery stores. Let's start by chopping off the ends. I'm gonna save the leaves for a stir fry. Peel the Celtuce stem with a small knife. Then we're gonna chop the stem part into smaller pieces in a rolling style. It's also called guandao in Chinese. Next, we're going to prepare some lotus root, one of my favorite vegetables to have in hot pots. Peel the lotus root and cut into slices. I also got some baby Napa cabbage. The leaves are small, so we just need to split the leaves in half. You can add any mushroom you like, but Enoki mushroom is my favorite. Simply cut off the root part and it's ready. Fish balls are a classic ingredient for Malatang. Today I got a variety pack. This one is my favorite. Unwrap the crab sticks and I'm going to pick out the fish balls I want. I'm not gonna be using all of these, so let's put them back and save them for later. Tofu strips are very tasty cooked in hot pot. I bought these thin sheets. Cut the tofu sheets into strips. Next up is Spam. If you haven't tried Spam in hot pot, you are missing out. Growing up, I always loved it, and I still do today. These quail eggs are hard-boiled and then soaked in cold water. It's very easy to peel this way. A popular ingredient in Chinese hot pot, quail eggs are soft and tender and can be coated by the soup base much better than regular eggs. Lastly, we got white potato noodles. These glass noodles are more chewy and delicious in hot pots. I hope you're feeling hungry because I know I am. For the final step, we're gonna use my homemade Sichuan hot pot base I shared in my last video. This hot pot base is 100% Sichuan style using organic beef tallow and cooked with a bunch of chilies and Sichuan peppercorn and spices. If you want to see how it's made, check out the link on the screen. Now let's get started cooking. Let's use half of the block. Simply take it out and set aside. Put all the ingredients together and start the fire. First, we're going to melt the hot pot base. You can flip it over so that the fat will melt faster. After the hot pot base is all melted, add some water, about 1 cup. Continue cooking the hot pot base for 2 minutes. Use a strainer to drain the solid ingredients. Add 1 cup of milk to the soup. Milk will turn the soup into a creamy white base, and trust me, it is delicious. Add another 1 to 2 cups of water. Drop in the white potato noodles first because they take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. You can also soak the noodles in warm water to reduce cook time. Then we will start adding the other ingredients based on how fast they can be cooked. The ingredient that takes longer will be dropped in first, such as fish balls. The vegetables take less time to cook, so drop them in later. Slowly boil the Malatang hot pot on medium-low heat. Season the soup with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/2 teaspoon sugar. You can adjust the seasoning to taste as well. Lastly, add 3 teaspoons sesame paste. Napa cabbage and Enoki mushrooms are the last ingredients to add. Top with minced garlic, green onion, and cilantro. Now our Malatang hot pot is completed. The air in my kitchen is filled with the aroma of the hot pot. I can't wait to try all of the ingredients. Alright guys, now the favorite part, the taste test. I'm so beyond excited today because this just looks and smells so appetizing. I can't wait to try all of the ingredients. Tofu. Delicious. It's so warm and so spicy. Let's try a lotus root. So crunchy. It's soaked perfect in the soup and it coats it so perfectly, and you can see. Look at the quail egg. It's so cute. It's like a mini-sized egg. Definitely if you have access to quail eggs, use them in your Malatang hot pot. You can eat them in one bite. Here's the Spam. It's like the soul of Malatang hot pot. You gotta have this in the hot pot. Pure happiness. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes. I'll see you next time.